Children, all of you take page number 18 of your English textbook and listen. Pronunciation. First, repeat the given words. These words rhyme with snail. On the lily's tail, we study about a snail, right? Now we can study the words which rhyme with snail. Tail, pale, fail, male. What are the words? Tail, pale, fail, male. These words rhyme with the word snail. Once more. Snail, tail, pale, fail, male. Second, repeat the given words. These words rhyme with nose. Nose. These words rhyme with the word nose. Hose, rose, pose, chose. Nose is here. Hose, rose, pose, chose. Okay. Once more. Snail, tail, pale, fail, male. Nose, hose, rose, pose, chose. Okay. All of you repeat these words. Repeat this rhyming words so many times. Next we can study speaking skills. Speaking skills. We use many words such as what, when, where, which and why when we ask questions. These words are question words. Okay? We have so many question words, right? What, where, when, which and why. Now we can ask some questions, okay? Complete the sentences by choosing the correct question word and read them loud. One has been done for you. We always ask, what's your name, right? So the question word is what? What's your name? My name is Nandita. Now, we will ask, dash is your birthday. Which word we will use? When is your birthday, right? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? This is the question word. Okay. Next is, dash class are you studying in? Okay. Here we have where is here, which is here. We will ask, which class are you studying in? Right? Which class are you studying in? Then we will say, I am studying in class 1. I am studying in class 1. Which? Next is, dash do you live? We will ask, where do you live? No. Where do you live? Right? Where? From in which place you are in? Where do you live? Okay. So the answer is where. Now, dash are you sad? Sad means why you are unhappy. So we'll ask the question where you are sad? No. We'll ask why are you sad? Why are you sad? I am sad because I lost my pencil. In the fourth question, where do you live? The answer is I live in Chennai. Here, why are you sad? I am sad because I lost my pencil. So, all of you study these question words. Okay. Now we can do writing skills. In the following set of words, write the words that does not rhyme with the other two in the space given. One has been done for you. Here you can see so many words, right? In the first question, we can see pot, hut, coat. What? Pot, hut, coat. Pot, hut, coat. Okay? In these words, which are the rhyming words? Pot, coat. They have same ending sounds, right? Pot, coat. Hut is not having same ending sounds, right? Pot, coat. So, hut is different ending sound. Hut. Not similar to pot and coat. Okay. So, pot, hut, coat. The odd one out is hut. Then the words which does not rhyme with other two is hut. So, the answer is hut. This is already given here, right? Now, second question. Beat, lit, cut. Beat, lit, cut. Here, the odd one out is cut, right? So, we can write cut. Okay. Third question. Sun, bun, pen. Once more. Sun, bun, pen. I think sun, bun is same, but pen is having different ending sound. So, the odd one out is pen. Next is tap, beat, neat. Tap, beat, neat. Here, beat and neat is having same rhyming sounds, right? Tap is different. Tap is different. Beat and neat having same ending sound. So, here the odd one out is tap. The word which does not rhyme with the other two is tap. Next is bird, shed, bud. Bird, shed, bud. Here, the odd one out is bud, right? Bud. These two having same rhyming. Bird, shed. But bud is different. Okay? I hope you all understood how to do this exercise.